WordPress began life as a simple blogging platform and has grown into one of the most popular content management systems available today, and it powers some of the world's most popular websites. WordPress is completely free to use and free to download. It's built by hundreds of community volunteers. Along with all the great features of WordPress, which you will learn in this course, one of the things I really love about WordPress is that it has something for everybody. If you were a non-technical person or a beginner, you can buy some web hosting, use a one-click install, select a theme, and you have your very own website or blog in under half an hour. And for web designers or developers, or people who want to jump into WordPress a little bit deeper, there is also many great things you can do technically to make a powerful website. You can code your own themes and plugins to make WordPress look and function exactly how you want it to be. WordPress is also under constant development. It's always improving, whether it's a security fix or a new feature to keep WordPress from becoming outdated. And the creators of WordPress have made these updates really easy to apply to, so you don't need to worry about the complexities of updating. There's also lots of great themes available to download for free on WordPress.org, which is the WordPress homepage. And you just need to go to the Themes tab and search through all the available themes. And there's many different themes and designs that you can search for on there. These free themes on this site are great, but there's also premium themes available on websites such as ThemeForest, but we'll look into these in more detail as we go through the course. The WordPress core, which we download, is really simple, yet very powerful and packed with features. However, if there is some functionality missing, which your app or website needs, then it's most likely going to be available as a plugin. And just like the themes, there is thousands and thousands of available plugins to download. And plugins are pretty much what they sound like. They are something you can download to plug in and extend the WordPress core. They add functionality and features, and they usually are as simple to install as clicking on a few buttons, but we'll take a look at plugins in more detail later on in this course. Some other great benefits of WordPress are that it is really search engine friendly. By using WordPress, many search engine best practices are taken care of for you behind the scenes. And if you want to take it even further, we'll look at some of the great search engine optimization plugins later on in this course. Lastly, WordPress has a really useful mobile app available for both iOS and Android, which is free to download. The app allows you to write content and update your website on the move. You can even upload photos, manage blog comments, and edit pages on the go. So these are some great reasons for choosing WordPress. Of course, there are many more, and I'm sure you'll find your own reasons for using WordPress as you progress through this course.